report on chemistry and pottery. The main topics we researched were raku, oxides, glazes, and how they all relate to chemistry.
We also interviewed Jennifer Siegel, who you will hear more about from Emily later.
Throughout our project, you will see many different examples of pottery and glazes, as well as chemical equations to help you better understand how chemistry works in pottery.
For our project, we interviewed Jennifer Siegel, Clay's data manager at NC State University. While there, she took us on a tour of the kiln and pottery room. She also gave us examples on the table here. Pottery is made up of 3 different components: the bone, the muscle, and the blood. The bone of the pottery is the substance silica. It helps form the glass on the outside of the shell. It gives it its structure. The muscle is refractory material. This gives it its resistance to heat and fusion. It allows the pottery to have stability and helps with the application of oxides. The refractory material allows gas to be released, which helps the chemical reactions to occur in pottery. Last is the blood. This is the oxides and the colorants. It gives the pottery color.
Now reporting live from the Wakefield Kiln Room. So here we have 3 kilns. 2 are for ceramics, this one, and they're electric kilns. And here we have pre-clay inside, and it will be fired in a bit. These are all our projects. And all the ones that are going to be stuck in the kiln and fired or glazed. And these are all of Wakefield's collection of glazes. Now glazes, they usually start off pretty chalky. So here's an example of a good piece. It's been fired, so all the water's gone. And then somebody put a layer of this blue paint over it, and it's kind of funny because this one actually turns out to become, once it's fired, this color. So you can really see the big difference between both the pre-clays and then once it's fired. The silica melts, the colorants become bright, and you can see how each one plays into effect with the different temperatures. These are the fired glazes, or once they're all put into the kiln, these are the sample tiles. And as you can see, they come in many different kinds of textures and varieties and mattes and colors, obviously. So you can see that some glazes, they've got different textures. Once fired, see the blues and the greens. And then there can be a wide range of colors, from blues to greens. We got purples, browns, definitely, blues, and even some can become multicolored with the different elements inside of them. As in this one. You can see the blues and the white speckled, and that's all just one glaze, nobody went over it. Our room's pretty cool, actually.